Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. So today, hubby and I are going to be cooking hoisin beef noodles. It's a stir fry that I saw online. Ashley got this recipe on Facebook. Love Mary's Kitchen. She cooks very, very good. So these are the things that we're going to have in the stir fry. We're going to start off with a cup of shredded carrots, 2 cups of shredded Napa cabbage. I have 1 onion here. Then I have some little added things that's going to go in. I got some garlic here. This is about 3 cloves of garlic. I have over here about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce right here. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce right here. I'll put that over here. And this is about 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, as well as 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. So those are the ingredients. We're definitely going to start with some ground beef to cook our noodles in. And also we're going to have for our noodles, it's going to be some ramen noodles. So I have a box of these here. So this is my first time using these, so we're going to try all these out. I am very excited. So let me just let you see the ramen noodles right there. So we're going to go ahead and get started, guys, and get this video going. And so first we're going to start off with cooking our beef, and we'll take it from there. So we got our skillet heating up, and to this skillet I'm going to just add about, I'll say about a good tablespoon of oil, no more than 2. So I got my oil in my skillet. I'm going to let that get hot, and I am going to add my beef to my skillet. This is about a pound of ground beef. This should really do fine. So what I'm going to do is kind of break this beef up real stiff, kind of spread it out, just kind of flatten it out a little bit. You want to kind of sear the beef. Before I turn it, I'm going to put just a little pepper on top. And I'm going to use just a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. And continue to mince it up. Now, a lot of the liquid has cooked out of it. I can hear it popping. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my onions to it. You definitely want those onions to cook down in that ground beef. Then what you think about this dish? I know you love ramen noodles, so it tastes really good with this. Now that my onions have kind of cooked down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead on and put in my garlic. can't begin to tell you all how this smells. It smells delicious. And right on top of that garlic, we're going to add our other ingredients, which is our cabbage. Since we can't go out, guys, we're gonna bring the eating out to us. And that's tasting a whole lot of very delicious, a lot of delicious recipes. While we're gonna just turn it off, okay? Just kind of hang out, sit in the skillet for a little while. I'm gonna stir it one good last time. And then I am going to work on my noodles. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to work on. Just let this sit for a while. And we'll come back to this. And we're going to work on our noodles. And we're going to wrap this up because it is smelling so good in here. It's delicious. Okay, guys. So here we got our boiling hot water. And I am getting ready to put in the ramen noodles. Alright, so to show you how they come, it's like 4 little nests of them. This is my first time using these. So even if you have to get them out of a regular ramen noodle pack, like you know, with the sauce, of course don't use the sauce, just get the noodles out there, but it comes in like 4 little nests. So I think for this, we probably need about 2. You think 2 will be enough, Dad? 3? Oh, all 4? Okay. And guys, we're going to let those boil till they are cooked. What is it? Al dente? I don't know. Just don't cook. Almost done. Yeah, that's it. Let me just put the crumbs in there. And so that won't be long. It'll cook down. And we're actually going to just take them, strain the excess water off of them, pour them right in with our with our stir fry. So we're going to let that cook, guys. I say about a good minute or 2. I turn my skillet back up on high, and we are about to now add in the noodles. So I'm going to go ahead and just add those in. We strained them. I know I didn't cook them no more than a minute or 2. And I'm going to, before I start mixing, let's go ahead and add our sauce in there. So we got some sauces in here that we're going to add. Alright, first up, our good old oyster sauce. Let's put that right on top. Our hoisin sauce. And our dark soy sauce. Put that on in there. We're going to go ahead and mix that all up. Get that combined in. think need a little more salt. What you think?
Mm.
What you think? I think so. I think I might have put a little more noodles than we need.
You can put a little more salt.
A little more salt, guys.
Which kind?
I think I'm gonna do the hoisin sauce and some soy sauce maybe. Yeah. So I'll put a little more sauce because I'm gonna add that in 2 layers. I haven't forgot the vinegar, guys. I'm gonna try to get the sauce in good first because you want to make sure it has enough. And turn it back up high. That's another thing. I didn't have my skillet that high. A little bit more sauce. A little bit more hoisin sauce in here. Just a little bit more soy. Okay. And finally, guys, I'm going to have to put my vinegar in before I give it that final toss. So we got our vinegar in there. And now I'm just going to kind of toss everything together. It is done. And I'm going to go ahead on and come in. We're going to plate this up.
Or fold it up.
Enjoy it. Okay, guys, we'll be back. So, guys, we are finished. Now I'm just going to top it off with a little green onion. Enjoy, guys.